This is the comparison between the Jordan 1 Powder Blue and the Jordan 1 University Blue. What's up guys, it's Gavin, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below. Be sure to also follow me on Instagram at Gavin Marshall. Today we're going to compare the most hyped release of 2021 so far, which is the Jordan 1 University Blue and the classic Jordan 1 Powder Blue. Huge shout out to Rastaclat for sending this bracelet over. Rastaclat is having a spring cleaning sale right now, so click the link down below and use my code GavinMarshall to get 50% off of your purchase. And with that being said, let's get on with the comparison. This is the Jordan 1 University Blue and this is the Jordan 1 Powder Blue. Both sneakers are UNC colorways, and the UNC is the University of North Carolina, which is Michael Jordan's alma mater. This was released early March of this year, and this is released in 2015. We won't really get into the tech specs of the sneakers since both of them are Jordan 1s, but we would focus on the difference in the materials. Both sneakers obviously have different colors, so comment down below which do you think is closer to the UNC colors. Moving on to the front of the sneakers, the toe cap of the University Blue is nubuck, while its toe box is tumble leather. It has a buttery smooth texture to it, which is somehow comparable to the shattered backboard. It also comes with black laces, and it even includes light blue laces. As for the Jordan 1 Powder Blue, its toe cap is made of a soft and smooth leather, while its toe box is slightly tumbled leather. It originally came in white laces, but it also came in these light blue laces, so I just switched them out. Going into the outsole of the sneakers, the University Blue's outsole has a different shade of blue compared to its upper. Now let's take a look at it side by side with the Jordan 1 Powder Blue. Now let's move on to the medial and lateral side. Moving on to the lateral side of the sneakers. It still has that same tumbled leather as seen in the toe box, while it has that University Blue nubuck all around it. It has a black tumbled leather on the swoosh. That's the same as what's seen in the ankle collar. And it also comes with that black Wings logo. It has that same white and blue leather all around the sneakers, but the blue leather is smoother than the white on this portion. The white leather on the ankle collar is softer compared to the one that's in here. Its swoosh is light blue and it comes with that white Wings logo. Since the medial side and the lateral side are basically the same, we'll take a look at the backs of the shoes. The University Blue's back has a combination of nubuck and leather, while the Powder Blue's back is all leather. And the biggest difference you can see is that the cut of the Powder Blue is a bit higher compared to the University Blue. And that's it for this comparison. Both are amazing and sought after pairs, but I personally prefer the Jordan 1 Powder Blue more. I think that the Powder Blue has a cleaner colorway compared to the University Blue. It has a higher cut, and I prefer this type of leather on Jordan 1s. And the main reason why I like the Powder Blue more compared to the University Blue is that I want my outsole to match with the upper. And that is all for this comparison. Comment down below which do you prefer, the Jordan 1 Powder Blue or the Jordan 1 University Blue. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and be sure to comment down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Gavin Marshall. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.